Today I have this mason jar shaped piece of wood, unfinished, that I picked up at Walmart, and now I am painting it Snow Owl by Wise Owl, using my Klingon 30 and then giving it a good sanding. I found these napkins at Big Lots for $3. They were so cute. They had the blue truck with the pumpkins in the back, and the paper says 2-ply. So I know that there's 2 more plies behind that truck that I had to remove, which I did. And now I'm ready to decoupage. Using a Gen foam brush and my 1-hour enamel clear, to be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm using that as a glue and applying the napkin. I wanted to lay the napkin down so that you could see the buffalo check at the base. While still wet, I'm taking the Klingon wrap, laying it down and using that so that I can remove some of the wrinkles and use a brayer to make sure I have full contact with my project, as napkins can be extremely gentle and they will tear easily while wet. Now I'm taking a sandpaper, just a small piece, and this is 150, and I'm just gently going around the edge and getting rid of the excess paper. I'm just going all the way around. Comes off quite easily. I found this slatted board also at Walmart, and I painted it Snow Owl by Wise Owl. That as well can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. And again, I'm adding my 1-hour enamel clear to that board. This is our Buffalo Check by Roy Cycle. And I am applying that to the wet 1-hour enamel. And again, going through the process of decoupaging with the saran wrap, the brayer, and then allowing it to dry. You can find the tissue paper at chalkitupfancy.com with many other images to choose from. And now I'm putting my top coat on. The process is 1-hour enamel, the tissue paper, and then 1-hour enamel, and then allowing it to dry. Again, I'm taking the sandpaper to take off the excess paper. Now remember, this board had slats in it. So I'm going to be using a razor blade to take out the excess paper in those slats. Now that that's removed, I'm getting my decoupaged mason jar and using E6000 and hot glue. The E6000 takes a while to dry, but I know that's the more durable glue for this particular situation. But I do put a little hot glue just to hold everything in place while the E6000 dries. And then I can just continue working on my project. I found this bouquet of flowers at Walmart, and I just cut off the tips, the buds, and I am placing them as if they were coming out of the mason jar. Walmart's selection of artificial flowers is quite inexpensive, and it's usually my go-to place. I decided to cut the leaves that were in the same bouquet and just randomly glue them throughout my bouquet just to give it some color and dimension. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can also watch our videos right at chalkitupfancy.com. For paint products, brushes, transfers, or tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.